What's up everyone and welcome to another Fast Friday. My name is Holland and I'm in the middle of the Salt Flats in Utah. But we had the drone up and I thought it'd be a great time to tell you my 3 favorite drone shots that I always do when I'm shooting. Number 1, the profile shot. I think it's important to always track your subject from the side with some sort of cinematic aspect in the background to truly profile what is going on. And I like to hold this shot for about 15 seconds because you never know how much of that shot you will actually need. It's a great way to set up your scene. Now, speaking of setting up your scene, here is number 2, the tilt reveal. The tilt reveal is a great way to reveal what is happening in your scene by creating some dynamic motion with it. So whenever I am tracking to the left and right, I'm always trying to also tilt the camera down or tilt the camera up, because when you do this, it adds that cinematic movement to your shot that I think looks good. That guy over there is doing donuts. And finally, my favorite shot of all time, the orbit. The orbit shot is so simple. All you do is fly in a circle around your subject. I like to fly my orbit shots manually. And the reason being is because I fly low. I'm talking sub 6 feet. Because when you fly low, you get that ground in the foreground of your image and the subject was in the background. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's quick video and an overview on my 3 favorite drone shots. My name's Holland, and as always, click that like button. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.